Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna go ahead and throw a bigger EGR spacer on Frankus here. So I've got a, I don't know, 70, I think it's a 70 millimeter mass air meter, 65 millimeter throttle body, and then it goes into the choker for the setup on Frankie, just to make my head tingle and happy. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a larger EGR spacer on it. I found it on the eBay. It is a stock spacer that has been honed out. You can kind of tell that the walls are thinner. Whoever did it wrote 65 millimeter in there. However, I just mic'd it out and it's about 67. Check this out. I don't know what it was, 67, 68, something like that. No, 68.45 millimeters. That'll be, I don't know, about 10 millimeters bigger than stock. Most of these I see them around the 58 mark. So one thing that I like to do on these, I hate the studs that were on these from the factory. So I actually pull those and then I put bolts in them. Just wanted to show you that I got all four as bolts. So I'm actually gonna pull those out, swap her out. The other thing I gotta do is throttle cable bracket is right there. That's got to come off. And if you have EGR, then you probably need to get that taken care of when you pull the spacer out. I do not, but I am going to have to transfer that over to the other one. I figured we may as well just do a video real quick. Or you can just push it down there, I guess. That'll work. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop this throttle cable off. I'm not gonna pop it off the bottom of the throttle body. I'm just gonna try to ease it out here and let it sit. Those look like a 10 millimeter. Am I right? I'm right. Oh, the other thing I do have that I haven't put on this thing yet is I do have a dummy plug for the EGR valve. So I ought to just plug that in while we're in here. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit right there. Undo this. I do hope I have gaskets. Pretty sure I do. Ooh. Just a little bit more. There we go. That thing's still in good shape. When you get right here, just give her a little love tap. Huh. It's interesting. Just a little condensation up in here, so just gonna go ahead and ignore it. Take these off and Put them on the other one, and then I don't know why, but these are two different sizes, guys. I want to say half and 9/16. There's a half. Yep, there's half and 9/16 was correct on these. Okay. I'm using purple power on this. Whew. That gets in the old nostrils. I think I'm going to call that good right there. So I did have a new Felpro gasket for it in my gasket assortment. Go ahead and get a couple bolts, and I usually get just put one in each of the top holes and hang all this stuff. Need to move that on the other side of this. Got it. This is so much quicker if you have the bolts instead of the studs, in my personal opinion. Plus, you don't have a problem with the throttle body or the EGR spacer sticking on you when you try to take it apart. Almost every time that I've taken one of these apart, including this car, those studs are so corroded, and you gotta beat the EGR plate off of it. There's probably a correct torque setting for these, but good enough is where I put them. The 8.9 actually has EGR that still works on it. I only blocked this one off because, number one, I don't have emissions here, and two, the original EGR valve was leaking, and it was pretty expensive. And I got this block off really cheap. Oakley dokley. This is the bypass plug, so it just keeps your check engine light from coming on. This looks like somebody 3D printed it and then just put some silicone black RTV on the end, which is fine. Okay. That's back. That back. That back. Tighten up a screw or two. And I'm really not going to be able to take this for a spin for a couple more days. I'm waiting on some stuff still. So, just trying to get some things done that I can right now. Anyway, that's how you do the gaskets. That's why you do the EGR plate. You can also do the throttle body off of this too. The only thing else you'd have to do is swap the IAC out and also just remove this throttle cable down there, and then that's all you'd have to do beyond what I did. Okay? Thanks for watching.